Research ethics boards assess a proposed study's ethical acceptability using the Tri-Council policy guidelines and its core principles of research ethics: respect for persons, concern for welfare, and justice. Research ethics boards, commonly known as REBs, also take into account any Health Canada and privacy regulations that may be applicable to a research study. An REB is an independent committee of experts who act on behalf of an institution, such as a hospital or a research institute, to review the ethical acceptability of the research. REBs can approve, reject, propose modifications to, or terminate any proposed or ongoing research involving human subjects. REBs are independent in their decision-making and are required to operate free of inappropriate influence, including situations of real, potential, or perceived conflict of interest. A research ethics board is composed of at least 5 members and of a diverse gender balance. 2 of the members have expertise in the relevant research areas covered by the REB, 1 member who is knowledgeable in ethics, 1 member who is knowledgeable in the relevant law, and 1 community member who has no affiliation with the institution. Many research ethics boards include a member who has expertise in privacy as well. REBs pay close attention to the risks and benefits of a study and to ensure that participants are provided the information that is required to make an informed decision about their willingness to participate. Informed consent is one of the tenets of research ethics and is viewed as an ongoing process.